guys, welcome back. So this is the 9th day of the 12 Days of Christmas collaboration hosted by myself, and I've decided to do this today. Now there is a lot of hairs on it, I need to get my tape out, but it's funny really because I got these mould out before like day 8's collaborations started, and it turns out Karen from the Dragon's Cave has the same mould as me, and I was gonna do what she did and use UV resin in it, but I thought, well, if people have already seen that, I wonder if I can do anything differently. So what I'm going to do is, instead of UV resin in these, I'm going to be using EcoPore, and I'm going to see how it looks in EcoPore because I think it'll look pretty nice. I am terribly behind on doing these videos, so I have to do them quite quickly. I'm going to do this in EcoPore, and after it's cured I will paint the details, but with this one I think I'm going to colour it black because that's normally what the shoes are. I'm sorry if you can hear some noise in the background. I am going to have to go in a minute because my little baby needs me. So that's what we're going to do today, and yeah, just give me a minute while I sort my baby out and I'll mix up the EcoPore and we'll get started with this. So be right back, guys. Hi guys, it's only been a few minutes, but it turns out this doesn't take very long to cure. So I'm just going to gently release it all. Uh-oh, a few bubbles there I've seen. And hopefully nothing breaks. I did poke these, so hopefully there's no bubbles. No, we're alright. There's no bubbles so far. Hopefully none of them break. I had to guesstimate these because I didn't want to make too much eco pour up. Looking good so far. No bubbles there either. There's one bubble there. And that. No bubbles there either. Hopefully I don't get these shoes mixed up with which character. Oh, I didn't know that. There's like a little itty bitty snowflake there, look. I've not watched all of Karen's video yet. I had to leave early because I had to put the boys in the bath. But I will get around to seeing it in a bit. But I didn't know there were snowflakes on it. I'll try and get this out without breaking it. Oh, those aren't bubbles. I think they're supposed to be there for the string. Oh, and I'm getting black all over it. And not a bubble inside. I must have poked that really well. Okay, so this must be the snowman. I'm going to just ease the mould a bit more further out because I don't want to rip anything off. That's cute. That is really cute. Really sweet. So that's them demoulded. Right, so I forgot about... no, I'm not demoulding them. I'm not demoulding them just yet. So if you give me just a little bit, I'm going to let these cure a bit more before I start messing with them. And we will do some work on Santa and the snowman. And I'll wash my hands as well so no more black gets on them. But yeah, those are really cute. They're very small, but they're cute. They're really cute. Hopefully I can do some detail on those snowflakes without messing it up. Well, we'll see. So I'll be right back in a bit, guys. I'm just going to let these cure a bit more and we'll start doing the detail work. So I'll see you later. we're getting close to the end of the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I did really struggle putting that snowman together. I might put it together on another video, I'm not sure. But I got Santa sorted, so yeah. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.